train up a child, my Bible says, and when they are old, they will not depart from those ways. In every nation, there is a similar cultural and traditional truth for homeland and ethnicity preservation. Therefore, when I came across Wode Maya's September 2021 video entitled Chinese Mom Teaches Daughter How to Discriminate Against Blacks, I had to take another look. In the news, I'm Addie Banks, and this is my report. Wode Maya, a Ghanaian YouTuber with over 1 million subscribers, was a student in China. When he came across this video, he was outraged, claiming that a Chinese mother was teaching her daughter to be biased against Blacks. Bear with the hearing of what he observed in Chinese.
2021, there is a video of a Chinese mom teaching the daughter how to discriminate or hate black people.
宝宝，昨天在餐厅跟你说话的是一个什么人？
黑人。
是叔叔还是阿姨？
阿姨。
你以前见过他吗？
在餐厅见过几次。
见过几次？是这样子的，公主，就昨天妈妈跟你说，你可以跟他打招呼，可以跟他说话，其实这是不对的。为什么呢？因为这些黑人呢，他有很不好的习惯，他很不礼貌，有时候呢，在我们中国，有时候在国外做了很多去伤害中国人的事情。我们是什么人啊？
中国人。妈妈，我跟你说，我们是中国人，要保护好中国，要爱惜中国，知道了吗？
知道。所以呢，我们不能跟陌生人说话，不能吃陌生人的东西，不能跟陌生人聊天，不能跟陌生人走。黑人我们更要防范他们，好吗？
好的。
我们是
中国人，
我们爱
中国。
对，我们爱中国，爱五星红旗。
爱五星红旗。
Now, frame by frame, the conversation went like this. Baby, who was the person talking to you in the restaurant yesterday? Black person. Uncle or auntie? Auntie. Have you seen her before? I've seen her several times in the restaurant. Several times? Here's the thing, Princess. Just yesterday I told you, you can say hello to her. You can talk to her. Actually, this is wrong. Why? Because all these blacks, they have very bad habits. They are very impolite sometimes. In China, they sometimes do a lot of things abroad to hurt Chinese people. Who are we? Chinese people. Mom, I can tell you, we are Chinese. To protect China, cherish China. Got it? Got it. So we can't talk to strangers. Well, you can't eat strangers' food. Can't chat with strangers. You can't go with strangers. We should guard against black people even more. Okay? Good. We are Chinese. We love China. We love our 5-star flag. Thinking back to 2020, when the pandemic began, numerous articles reported of disgraceful racial discrimination against Africans in China. Some were students, many immigrants. What in the world are we learning? that just because you can get there, it does not mean that you are welcome there. Early childhood teachings stay to indoctrinate another generation. Looking at another recent article in the news about Australia's deportation of Chinese students over military training sparks calls for clarity. Seems it is not widely known that Chinese students are involved in military training in high school and college. This was determined as military service in Australia, making them ineligible for student visas there. I read that the training is taught early for lifetime allegiance to China. I read a few comments. Right or wrong, most acknowledge the role of moms teaching culture as normal. She is our first teacher. That teaching the ways of the homeland is basic to preservation. Love home. Many were sad that racism made it into the teaching agenda. Truth is that from every adult mouth, biases and warnings against perceived dangers and people with certain reputations is teaching responsible survival practices. The question is, what are you teaching?